Wow, see guys how it looks like. It's just amazing. The animation and everything. Wow. Hello, what's up guys? In today's video I want to show you how to set up the new Samsung feature which is called Samsung Dex. Guys, this is an amazing feature. Just when you plug your phone to your computer, either Windows or Mac, you will get it. Now it's available after the new Samsung update One UI 2.0 on the third version. On the second and first version it's not available, but now I get it after I update my phone. So now I'll let you know how to set up this feature. First, let me plug my phone to my Mac. Now I get the permission here. Let me press allow. See what I found here. I see you can use Samsung Dex on your computer. And here's the all information. Just go to this website and download the app. So we will go to the website samsungdex.com, and we have here all the information and see the supported apps and see how it looks like when you set this feature. So let us to download. If you have a Windows 7 or 10, click here to download. If you have Mac, just click here. So I have a Mac, so I will click here, then save. It's downloaded, so let me open it and click here, continue, disconnect your phone. Again, let me try again. Continue, continue, continue again, agree, install, continue installing. Put your password of your computer. And now restart your laptop or computer. Here we go. Now let's go to the apps. As you see, here is Samsung Dex. Now let me plug my phone to my laptop. Samsung Dex enable. I'll get the permission for this app. Okay, please. Unlock your laptop first, then click here for Samsung Dex. Now I think it's ready. Let's go again to Samsung Dex. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to use Android file transfer. Yeah, finally. To use Samsung Dex, update the Dex software on your computer to the latest version. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back again. Actually, there is something wrong when I record the first half of this video. It doesn't work. I tried to make anything, but unfortunately it doesn't work. Then I released what's the problem. The problem is you need to update your phone, your Dex on phone and Samsung Dex on the MacBook to the latest version. How to do that? Just open Dex, then go to the name here, then check for updates, and if there's a new update, he will tell you to update, and then you need to restart your Mac. Also, you need to give some access to Samsung Dex in your Mac. So go to the settings, then go to security and privacy, go to the general. You will find something here for Samsung.com. Just give a permission, or yeah, just give a permission for that thing. It's here. There is, you will find an icon. If you find it, if you didn't find it, that's fine. And go to your phone and Galaxy Store. Okay, and just go to my page and make sure to update all your Samsung apps. I mean the Samsung Dex. If you If it doesn't work because you didn't update in your phone, go to link to Windows, and if there is a new update, he will tell you here to update, and just update it. And now finally your phone is ready to connect with your Mac to turn on Samsung Dex mode. And now just what you need to do is plug your phone to your Mac. And here we go. Let me open Samsung Dex. I will tell you that thing, and press start now. Finally, this is Samsung Dex in your Mac. It's so amazing. Here's to go to the apps. Actually, this is get access to all your files, so you will find all your photos here in the gallery, my files, and everything. Your notification, your apps. This is Instagram, how it looks like. It's same as when you open it by your phone. It's just you control everything by your mouse. Actually, I noticed something. The quality here, it's not, I don't think it's HD. Maybe it's 720 or less than 720. Actually, maybe we need some times to know everything about Samsung Dex. To try to go to the internet and YouTube. It looks like PC, everything. It's just very cool. And I hope it will be useful. This is Word. And I want to know if I can increase the resolution of this Samsung Dex. I can type if I press keyboard. And this is my video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video.